Study finds mushrooms magnify memory by boosting nerve growth. Study finds mushrooms magnify memory by boosting nerve growth. You're listening to Technical News Reading, presented by Hakeem Ali-Bokus Alexander on Spreaker, social podcasting. Presented for World Reading Club in association with UniquilibriuM. This edition's reading focus comes to us from Medical Express. It was published on February 10th, 2023, and is titled, Study Finds Mushrooms Magnify Memory by Boosting Nerve Growth. Our first featured image is of the lion's mane mushroom. It looks like in a farm. And the caption reads, Researchers found lion's mane mushroom improved brain cell growth and memory in preclinical trials. Credit UQ. Researchers from the University of Queensland have discovered the active compound from an edible mushroom that boosts nerve growth and enhances memory. Professor Frederick Meunier from the Queensland Brain Institute said the team had identified new active compounds from the mushroom Hericium erinaceus. Extracts from these so-called lion's mane mushrooms have been used in traditional medicine in Asian countries for centuries, but we wanted to scientifically determine their potential effect on brain cells, Professor Meunier said. Preclinical testing found the lion's mane mushroom had a significant impact on the growth of brain cells and improving memory. Laboratory tests measured the neurotrophic effects of compounds isolated from Hericium erinaceus on cultured brain cells, and surprisingly, we found that the active compounds promote neuron projections, extending and connecting to other neurons. Using super-resolution microscopy, we found the mushroom extract and its active components largely increase the size of growth cones, which are particularly important for brain cells to sense their environment and establish new connections with other neurons in the brain. We have another featured image. It's a graphic that shows lion's mane and some of the chemical compounds in it. The caption reads, Graphical Abstract, Credit Journal of Neurochemistry 2023. Co-author, UQ's Dr. Ramon Martinez Marmol, said the discovery had applications that could treat and protect against neurodegenerative cognitive disorders such as Alzheimer's disease. Our idea was to identify bioactive compounds from natural sources that could reach the brain and regulate the growth of neurons, resulting in improved memory formation, Dr. Martinez Marmol said. Dr. Dae-hee Lee from CNG Bio Company, which has supported and collaborated on the research project, said the properties of lion's mane mushrooms have been used to treat ailments and maintain health in traditional Chinese medicine since antiquity. This important research is unraveling the molecular mechanism of lion's mane mushroom compounds and their effects on brain function, particularly memory, Dr. Lee said. The study was published in the Journal of Neurochemistry. For more information, see the paper from Ramon Martinez Marmol and others. Heracerin derivatives activates a pan-neurotrophic pathway in central hippocampal neurons converging to ERK1 and 2 signaling, enhancing spatial memory. Journal of Neurochemistry, 2023. This was provided by the University of Queensland. You've been listening to Technical News Reading, presented by Hakeem Ali-Bokus Alexander on Spreaker, social podcasting, presented for World Reading Club in association with UniquilibriuM. This edition's reading focus has come to us from Medical Express. You can read this article and others like it by visiting medicalexpress.com. That's medicalexpress.com. medicalexpress.com. Study finds mushrooms magnify memory by boosting nerve growth.